In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a direct message in Circle, so a straightforward yet powerful platform designed to foster community connections. If you're new to Circle.so or simply need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Circle.so account. Open your web browser, navigate to the Circle.so website, and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, be sure to create one and then follow along with us once you're all set up. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find all the options to navigate through Circle.so. Click on the Messages option in this sidebar. This will take you to your messaging area. It's an essential hub where all your communication takes place, similar to a virtual mailbox. At the top right of the messages screen, you'll see a button labeled New Message. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open a new message window where you begin the process of creating your direct message. It's akin to drafting an email, but much simpler and faster, facilitating quick interactions within your community. In this new window, there's a field labeled To. Click on it and start typing the name or email of the person you want to message. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear with suggested contacts. This feature helps you quickly find and select the correct individual you wish to message. Once you see your intended recipient, click on their name to add them. Now comes the easy part, typing your message. In the message box, enter the content you wish to share. Keep it concise and to the point, or feel free to express your thoughts more elaborately, whatever suits your style. Remember, effective communication is key here. Optionally, if you want to attach any files, images, or links, look for the plus icon near the message box. Clicking this icon allows you to enhance your message with additional content, providing more context or helpful resources directly in your conversation. Finally, look for the send button, typically located at the bottom right of the message window. Once you're satisfied with your message content and any attachments you've added, click send. Your message is now on its way to the recipient, and that's it. You've successfully sent a direct message in Circle.so. Whether you're reaching out to a friend, colleague, or anyone within your community, this simple process ensures clear and direct communication, facilitating stronger connections and collaborations. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.